Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to download and install Nvidia graphics driver in your PC or laptop. So let's begin our video. So at first you need to open your browser on your PC or laptop, then go on search bar and type Nvidia graphics driver like that, Nvidia graphics driver. After that you can get this option or link official driver, and you can get at first link www.nvidia.com. so you just open this link. Okay, this is your official link page. Now what should you do? Just go on device manager in your PC or laptop, then you need to check your graphics driver. Go on display adapter, and after that this is your Nvidia GeForce Max 150. So you need to check your graphics driver carefully. Okay, after that what should you do? You just need to go this link, and so after check your graphics driver, then you need to select all information like that, who is on your type GeForce, and you need to type your series or select your series here. Who is on your series, you just need to select it. Then you need to type product from here. Then operating system, select your operating system, Windows 11 or 10, just select it, and then select download type for SD or game ready driver. Then select your language, so English, and then search it. Then guys, after complete your then search it, then you can get this option for download. There you can see this is option for download. Just select on download, then again now you can see download already started. So you just need to wait for complete your download. So after that you can install, you can get a install option, just install it. So guys, in this way you can download and install Nvidia graphics driver for your PC or laptop. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.